Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about digital manufacturing and how digitization can play an important role into manufacturing execution system and how it is specifically applied to regulatory industry. When I say regulatory industry, I'm covering pharma, food, then nutraceuticals, biotech, these various industries, they require a lot of documentation required as per their statutory regulatory compliances and all that. And digitization can really play an important role. So my idea about discussing these applications into specifically regulatory industry. So let's look at the next screen actually. What I see is over here is mainly covering areas like materials, machines, quality, manpower, and then the manufacturing flows. So let's look at it independently, each factor or each parameter. Now, material is very important, and in materials, we are looking at it for inventory management and its optimization. When I say a digital manufacturing, the operations like RFID plays an important role, or maybe your QR code. These are the applications can really do the traceability and can update all that information immediately to the system without any manual intervention, which is a very important thing. In pharma, as per their regulatory requirements, the documentation without any manual intervention is always preferable because it is minimum mistakes. And then with the digital, this data along with the cloud is available to all the required stakeholders so that they can really take their documentation and then necessary required actions accordingly. So material inventory, the storage, this wastage, its replenishment, based on to the stock relationship with the suppliers, procurement, or even in the procurement also inbound transport, like coming from supplier to your manufacturing location or the store, and giving its visibility. So digital plays a crucial role, important role, and material is very important because in most of the manufacturing, 40% cost is the material cost. And then controlling that cost is very important because we don't want to have a shortage of the material and lose onto the production. At the same time, the material is available, but it is not of use or it's going to get wasted. So these are all play a crucial role. And when you are discussing about the digital manufacturing, material is most important. The next comes about the machine resources or your equipments. So equipment availability, that means those equipments are delivering the product as per your plan, the quantity which is expected, and then the quality which is desired for the customer is important. And that along with IoT sensors getting connected into your digital system play an important role. So that improves your equipment utilization and plant capacity gets improved. Another parameter over here is energy consumption. Energy consumption also is very important because you need steam, electricity, and the other utility services. And those are to be supported at desired rate, desired temperature, pressure, and will convert your material to a good product. And then those expenses also needs to be monitored. So which is a important thing which can really get connected with the IoT sensors. Then comes the parameter of quality. Quality data requires an analysis from the instrument. Now, instruments can get connected with the system. Laboratory information management systems, LIMS are available, and those parameter checking, tracking data will get it into the system and will keep the data. So again, there is no manual intervention, there is no manual data entry. Equipment or the instrument give the data and that goes into the system, and that will help in maintaining the regulatory documentation like certificate of analysis, analytical reports and all. And those process parameters can also guide in the manufacturing process. Like if there is any deviation which needs to be adjusted with other manufacturing process parameters, that can help you to improve and manufacture smart manufacturing also. Then come the manpower skills. Now manpower skills also play the role because in a digital system, manpower details are not much required because the process parameters will control it, but manpower will monitor it. And manpower will get develop those technology skills about those smart manufacturing, and then that will lead to digital manufacturing. And then finally, the manufacturing process flows. The process flows is each product and batch goes on moving from stage 1, 2, 3, 4, depending upon the processes which are been defined over there. And all these processes also go on generating the data about the production at each stage, which again gets linked up into your smart manufacturing or digital manufacturing, or some people also call it the digital factory. And that is how that digitization really plays an important role. And manufacturing processes also further gets connected to your sales and operation planning, and you are monitoring the various from inventory to process parameters, improves your digital manufacturing and can lead to improving the operational excellence and all that. Hope I have gave you a brief idea about the concept about the digital manufacturing, how it can really help you. In case if you need any further information or help, do contact us. Do subscribe the channel so that you will get more such inputs into your box on a daily basis. Thank you. Bye.